To use Viggle AI Discord, start by going to Google and searching for Viggle AI Discord. Click on the discord.com link, which is usually the second result, and navigate to the application directory. Select the Viggle application, which is described as a creative engine that lets you run any static character. Among other features, click on the Viggle application, and you will be taken to a website where you can add the app to your Discord server. To do this, click the Add App button. Then select the server you want to add it to. This can be a server you created or one that a friend invited you to. Once you've selected the server, click Continue, and give the app all the necessary permissions by checking all the boxes and pressing Authorize. After authorizing the app, you may need to complete a human verification process, which typically involves waiting for a few seconds and clicking a check mark. Once this is complete, the Viggle bot will be added to your server. To use the bot, go to the general chat in your server and type Animate to initiate the animation process. This will prompt you to upload a file, which can be done by clicking on the Upload button and selecting a file from your device. You will also be given the option to add an emotion prompt to your animation. To find a prompt, go to Google and search for Viggle AI prompt. Then click on the first result, which should be the Viggle.ai website. Here, you can browse through various prompts and select one that you like. Copy the prompt, then go back to Discord and paste it into the motion prompt field. You can also customize the background of your animation by selecting from options such as white, green, or a template. Once you've made your selections, press Enter to send the command, and the Viggle bot will start generating your animation. This process usually takes between 1 to 5 minutes, and once it's complete, the generated video will be sent to you in the chat. You can then view the video and do whatever you want with it.